Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. In this video, I am going to give you some Mercari selling tips to make more sales on Mercari. If you did not see my what sold on Mercari video, definitely go back and watch it. This is kind of a part 2 to that video. Again, I have been trying to be very consistent with Mercari and I've been seeing some great results from it. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you just some things that I have been doing that are causing these great results. I've been making sales daily on Mercari. So if if Mercari is something that you are wanting to expand to grow your business and start making these daily sales, definitely stick around. This is the video for you. Okay, so I am just going to go right into the video. So the first thing that I have been doing on Mercari that I had not done on Mercari in the past is listing every single day. So every single day I just kind of go and I cross post just a few items a day. It doesn't have to be very many, just something to keep your account active. I try to do this in the evening. The reason for that is in the evening people are off work and they are on their phones and they are window shopping, as I like to call it. They're going to be more likely to see your items if you are listing at night. So I completely understand if your schedule doesn't allow you to list at night. Just if you're not able to list at night, try to list daily anyway, or try to have things saved on your phone that you can just list easily. Have your photos saved, your measurements, all of that. But if you can, definitely try to list at night when there are more people online. Make sure you are listing quality inventory. If you have things that are getting traffic on other platforms, they are likely going to be getting traffic on Mercari. If this is something that you struggle with, if you feel like you don't have items that people are searching for, definitely check out my sourcing guides. They are linked down below in the comment section and in the description box. You get 3 of them, 2 sourcing guides and my Goodwill outlet guide. It is literally a list of things that you can buy to resell that will sell consistently. These are things that I've been selling consistently for years. I've been reselling for 7 years now. So it's a list of items that you can buy to resell, and these are things that are going to help you start making those daily sales. Because just realistically, if you're not buying things that people are actively searching for, you are not going to be making sales. So you want to be buying these types of items that people are searching for, that are in demand, and that is what is going to start getting you those consistent daily sales, and that is going to give you a daily source of income. So my next tip is to use the promote button. So Mercari has what they call a promote button. And basically what this does is you can go in and hit the promote button, and it reduces the price on the item and it brings the item to the top of the search results. So this is going to allow more people to see your item. So again, I try to do this in the evening, and what I have been doing, you can promote up to 10 items a day. So I pick 5 items that have a lot of views on them, that have a lot of likes and a lot of views, and I will promote those items. And then I also pick 5 items that don't have as many views or that aren't getting as much traffic, and I promote those items as well, just because they obviously need a boost in the search results. Maybe I had listed them during a time where not many people were on the app shopping. Like I said before, this is why I've started to try to list more at night, because I see more people looking at my items at night. And then also sometimes early in the morning I will make sales on there as well, and I'll notice that items are getting likes early in the morning too. So you can also try listing things early in the morning as well, and just kind of experiment and play around with it and see what works for you. Now, because you are regularly going to have to be promoting these items, which means you will regularly have to be reducing the prices on the items, you definitely want to make sure that you are pricing your items accordingly to be able to do this, as well as give discounts through the offers to likers feature, which is my next tip, is to use the offers to likers feature. But if this is something that you struggle with, that you don't really understand, definitely pick up my pricing guide. I will also link that in the description box and in the comments. It has all the information on the page, but basically it walks you through pricing guidelines and strategies that you need to be aware of in order to price things for a retail business. There's a lot of psychology that goes into retail, and there's a lot that goes into pricing things to resell, and that is a 20-page guide of tips and strategies for you to price your items and help them to sell more consistently. But you need to be using the offers to likers feature on Mercari, just like on Poshmark. The offers to likers feature on Mercari is a little bit different than the offers to likers feature on Poshmark, just because if you send out an offers to likers on Mercari, you cannot send out another one. The next offers to likers that you have to send on Mercari has to be a lower price, whether it has new likers or not. So on Poshmark, you can send out an offer to every single new person who likes your item. On Mercari, you can't do this. So you want to kind of let the item build up likes before you send out an offer to likers. So if you are going through and you are promoting something, you probably want to wait a day or two and let it build up more likes before you send out another offer. Just want to make sure you guys are aware, like you can't just send an offer over and over like you can on Poshmark. So you definitely have to be strategic about it, but you definitely want to be sending out these offers to likers. I have made many sales doing this on Mercari. My next tip is to turn off the smart pricing. So Mercari has what they call the smart pricing feature, where it will lower the price automatically, basically for you. It's basically just putting it on autopilot. I personally don't like this because I like to be in control of my pricing. You can obviously set like a rock bottom price to where it won't go below that price, but I like to just be more strategic about when I am lowering the prices on items. Like I said before, I like to do it at night when people are on the app. I don't want Mercari just automatically lowering the prices for me. So I did turn this feature off just because I don't want it to be on autopilot. I want to be kind of aware of what's going on. My next tip is to fill in the keywords. So when you are doing your listings for Mercari, there is a section where you can put in 3 keywords. So you want to pick keywords that are relevant to your item, but that aren't what your item is. So for instance, if you are listing a Victoria's Secret bathing suit top, when you get to the keywords, you want to put in things like swim or beach or vacation, related words that are related to the item that you are selling, but not necessarily words that you have put in the title and description. You want to use words that you think people would be searching for, words that are more of a category or a genre versus words that you have already put in your title and your description. Now, if you just can't come up with words for the keywords, then you can absolutely reuse words from your title and your description. But I try my best to put words that are different into this keyword section, just to kind of expand the visibility of the audience that it could reach. You kind of have to anticipate what people are searching for in terms of, you know, if they're searching for an event, or if they're searching for a vacation or a trip or a specific category of items. And you want to kind of just think about it for a minute and see, you know, if you were searching for this item, what would you type in? And then use those as your keywords in the keyword section. It has all other sections where you can put in like the brand name, the size, the color, stuff like that. So you really want to utilize your keyword section for keywords. You know, just things that you wouldn't put anywhere else that are going to allow people to search for your item. Okay guys, these are my tips on Mercari. Again, very new in my Mercari journey, but I've been seeing great results, great sales from it. So I hope that these tips will help you to kind of expand to a newer platform and to grow your business and to start making those daily sales. It is a great thing that you have to be able to get paid every day selling things online. So just make sure you're taking it seriously and taking advantage of the opportunity. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.